Hey guys, you know what I just learned? Yesterday, I was totally stuck while sending an important email. My message looked fine, but it just didn't feel professional. And then, bam, I discovered the magic of Gmail signatures. Honestly, it was a game changer. So today, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a clean, professional, and even stylish Gmail signature that makes your emails look polished and trustworthy. Trust me, by the end of this video, your emails will never look the same again. Step 1. Access Gmail settings. All right, first things first, open up Gmail. See that little gear icon on the top right? Click on it and select See All Settings. Super easy. Now scroll down until you reach the signature section. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. Create a new signature. Next, hit Create New. Give your signature a name, like a business signature or personal signature. Hit Create, and you'll see a blank space waiting for you. Think of this as your digital business card. Step 3. Add personal and business details. Now, let's fill it in. Add your name, job title, phone number, and email. If you're representing a business, also drop in your company name, website, and tagline. Remember, less is more. Keep it clean, but don't miss the essentials. Step 4. Add a logo or photo. Want to level up? Add your company logo or even your photo. You can upload it directly or paste the image link. Look at this. Boom! Step 5. Style and customize. Now for the fun part, styling. Change the colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Go minimal, bold, or even colorful. Pro tip, stick to 2 to 3 colors maximum so it looks professional and not like a rainbow explosion. Step 6. Add social media links. Next, add your social media links. Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, wherever. Once you're happy, click Apply. And then copy your new signature. Head back into Gmail settings, paste it in the signature box, and under Signature Defaults, select it for new emails and replies. Don't forget to hit Save Changes at the bottom, and that's it. Boom! You now have a professional Gmail signature ready to impress. Every email you send will feel like a mini business card. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who still sends emails without a signature. Trust me, they need this. And hey, drop a comment below with your favorite Gmail signature idea. I'd love to see what you create. Until next time, keep creating smarter, not harder.